Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Gemini Live on Android. So before we proceed, the first thing that you will do is make sure to have the latest version of the Gemini in order for you to have this feature onto your phone. So guys, when there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And now once you have ensured that you are running the latest version of the app, just simply open it up, and down below we should be able to see here the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen beside the microphone icon. So when we tap on that, guys, from here we should now access the live feature of a Gemini. So guys, if you don't know, Gemini Live is like talking to one person or talking to someone. And from here, as you can see, tapping the live button turns on the mic, and to turn it off, you could just simply tap on the mic again, or you could just simply tap the hold or end button or say stop. And now over here, we could actually choose a voice for our Gemini. We will have multiple categories like Ursa, which is engaged mid-range voice, and we will have other categories as well based on the preferences that we chose. And pretty much there's are a lot of options that you could choose from. So for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and go for the Nova and just simply tap on start. For example, I'm gonna ask this person, hey, what do you think about working out every day? And after that, automatically it will answer me back, and it's just like talking to me. So pretty much when you go to the top right corner, we should be able to have the script as well, which we could be able to read it out loud. And pretty much that's it.